I have been summarizing a lot of PDF files using various tools. Since each one was having some limitations, I was looking for a perfect one. As soon as Code Interpreter was introduced, I jumped in thinking that this would be the perfect tool. However, soon I realized it was not the right solution. I got inconsistent and poor summaries of the files. In this video, I'm going to share my experience so that you don't make the same mistakes. Let me start by trying to summarize a PDF file with ChatGPT Code Interpreter. I am uploading the Infinite Game book by Simon Sinek. It's one of my favorite books. While the file is being uploaded, let me add the prompt. Give me a detailed summary of this book, highlighting all main concepts. Let's submit and wait for a response. Code Interpreter is telling us what it's going to do. The first mistake I made was I didn't click the Show Work button to see what's happening behind the scenes. I assumed that process is similar to normal GPT-4 workflow. Here, you can see that it's extracting the content from file using Python PDF libraries. Only the first 2,000 characters are extracted. So, the summary will be based on only the first part of the content. Lesson 1. Even if you don't understand coding, check what's happening inside the Code Interpreter. Anyone can get a basic understanding without knowing anything about coding. Let's wait for the process to complete. It says, text extraction from PDF is not producing readable content. It may be due to reasons such as PDF being composed of images or an encryption method. Then it gives a summary based on its existing knowledge about the book. This is one of the problems I faced. It failed to extract from some PDF files uploaded. Sometimes, we can ask to use a different method or simply retry to get it working. However, the results are too inconsistent. Lesson 2. Code Interpreter lacks the ability to read PDF files with advanced formatting. In such cases, upload a text file with same content. Let's ask to try a different method and do the summarization. Now, it's using a different Python library to read the file. Let's see if it works. Again, it's only extracting the first 2,000 characters. It makes mistakes, auto-corrects them and continues the process. Method of summarization is different to last time. Let's wait for the final summary. Not surprisingly, the summary is a total failure with no meaning. Looks like it has summarized few paragraphs of the first part of the book. However, ChatGPT accepts that this technique only gives a brief overview by extracting key sentences. Lesson 3. Code Interpreter lacks the ability to read the complete file and do a summarization of contents. So, always make sure to check if it's summarizing a part of content or full content. Sometimes, Code Interpreter is not aware of its own abilities. Let's add the prompt as, you can read full content and, do a summarization of all parts. Let's see if it makes any changes. It says, given the length of the book, it might not be possible to read and summarize entire content in one go. Now, it's going to break the file into segments, summarize each segment and use them to create a full summary. While I continue waiting, it goes on with different processes, while correcting mistakes. It's already taken considerable amount of time. Finally, we have some sort of a summary. It looks better than the previous results. However, it's no way close to what I was expecting. Lesson 4. Code Interpreter only uses Python libraries for summarization. It doesn't use the OpenAI large language model. So, the conclusion is Code Interpreter is not good at summarizing PDF files. The main reason is that it does not use OpenAI LLM and relies on simple text summarization libraries. So, I will not be using it until there is a way to connect to OpenAI. So, what is the solution? I haven't found the perfect solution yet. However, the PDF summarization of Perplexity AI is the best alternative for me at the moment. It's included in free version. Earlier, I did a video on PDF upload for Perplexity AI. You can watch the video for more details. The link to the video is in the description and top right-hand corner of your screen. Here is a summary of same file given by Perplexity AI. As you can see, there is much more comprehensive summary of the complete book. Also, it highlights the main concepts. Then, I asked for a detailed summary of each main concept. As you can see, the response is very good with lots of details. Here are some more details it generated based on an improved prompt. Also, another advantage is that we can continue asking questions from the file and get quick answers. In ChatGPT, with every request, it had to read file again. So the process was way too slow. That's it for today. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more AI-related videos.